Oh, what do you? Oh, yes. So stay out of contact with this woman. Okay?
Yeah, you know what a good decision is, Brent.
Sure.
I'm sure you do. So good decisions.
Okay.
All right.
And if any of those if any of my fans and supporters care to make a donation, they can send it to
A donation.
They
A donation for what?
To PayPal. My email is BL.
Hold on a second, Brent. Hold on a minute. Hold on a second. A donation for what?
A donation for my living fund. Hey, I can always use it
for your living fund.
Yeah.
A donation for. Brent, if I find out $1 of these donations goes to jail cam, I'm gonna threaten you on your Facebook page.
They're not gonna go to jail cam. I promise.
You promise?
I promise.
All right.
Hey, jail cam's $9, but I'm not doing that.
Throw out your living fund, a donation link.
Yes. So just if you care to make a donation, because you find me entertaining, or you appreciate me in any way, just give it to me through PayPal, and my email is blkremen@aim.com.
At what.com?
AIM.
AIM.com?
Yes.
BL Kremen.
Advanced Idea Mechanics?
BL Kremen at AOL Online, AOL Instant Message?
AIM.
AIM.com?
You know, like somebody's aiming your gun at his head.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Brent. I listen, I trust